It's usually paste and you put in there and it's not sleepy.
Hey, Gaby.
Get a babe.
Hey, Gaby. Is that your lollipop? Mm-hmm.
Because Maxwell's lollipop.
Maxwell's lollipop. He has never tasted something so sweet.
No. Here's what you do. You put it under here so it's not about to take it out.
Ooh. You're interfering with his eating.
Didn't make me delicious egg.
TJ didn't make you egg?
Uh-uh.
Oh, wow.
He thought
Yep.
I wasn't hungry.
You did say you were hungry when I was like, I'm hungry.
He said